Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 of biotechnology. I hope that you feel a lot more comfortable after the first week to navigate Canvas, submit assignments, and overall meet course expectations. This week we're going to be talking about bacteria and viruses and how we can manipulate these microorganisms and get them to serve a purpose that they were not originally intended to do. The essential questions that we're going to seek to answer this week are how human cells, bacteria cells, and viruses differ in their structure and methods of replication, how antibiotic and antiviral drugs work, and finally, how we can identify the cause of an outbreak, its mode of transmission, and develop resources to contain that outbreak. In preparation for one of your discussion forums and your live session, we're going to be watching the movie Contagion. This is a DVD that's located in the course pack that Duke Tip sent you at the prior to the start of e-studies. And we're going to use the information in this DVD to inform our discussion about strategies to find the cause of an outbreak and also strategies to contain the outbreak once it's occurred. The live sessions this week are a duplicate, so you only need to sign up for one live session this week. The other key activities of week 2 include participating in a discussion about methods to contain an outbreak, working collaboratively with a team on a case study to determine the cause of a local outbreak and to create an action plan to stop that outbreak based on the data that you and your team collect. And then finally, create your first blogger post that's reviewing a technology created with microorganisms such as bacteria or viruses. Some essential resources: make sure that you continue to use a weekly agenda or pacing guide to help make sure that you are navigating the week on a timely manner. Use a weekly checklist to make sure you've completed all of your deliverables, and then email me with any questions or concerns at catherine.masick@tiponline.duke.edu. Thank you.